45, 55, and I'm about to follow my dad up the road. My brother's gonna come pick me up, and then I will come back and get the dump truck. And we're gonna make a run at this. First day opening things up is usually when all the problems start, so hopefully we are limited in problems and things go smooth. Let's see how we do. Soybeans look good. So I'm back at the barn. What I'm doing is I'm getting the dump truck all set up close to the blower so I know where I need to be. And then I'm putting blocks down. So I'll back my wheel up, keep it just inside of this block, and that block will stop me, and I should be right about here. Time to head back to the field, get the first load. So this is the first field that I started chisel plowing this spring. He's just opening this up here. He already made one pass around down at the bottom. The bigger part, this is really, really, really gravelly, rocky, gravelly ground. Excuse me. He's got 4420 combine with a little 4-row corn head. Back in the day when we bought that combine, it replaced a New Idea corn sheller, and he used to run 2 gravity wagons. So he's got the combine now, and we got the little single axle dump truck. I know people have said, why the little dump truck? You should upgrade and get a bigger one. I agree, but the first thing we're gonna need is a combine. Otherwise, I'm gonna be sitting here just, if I had a bigger truck with that little combine, especially during soybeans, I'd be waiting forever. But the way we do it, for those of you who are new to the channel, with soybeans I can keep up with my dad pretty good. But with corn, by the time I go and load and come back, he would be sitting waiting. So that's why we got the grain cart. I just tell him when he's full, just unloading the grain cart. That way it keeps him moving. I pull in, load right into my truck, and I'm moving. So I'm kind of hanging out now just because opening things up. But anyway, that's where the grain cart comes in handy. Got the first load all loaded up and heading back to the silo. So yeah, when my dad fills up now, he'll just empty into the grain bin. I'll pull in, load that into the truck, and hopefully, let's see if I can get out of here. All right. Hopefully we don't have too many problems and we're able to knock this field out. So back to the silo. load on the go. But not on the first day, I guess. He needs to get a little bit more comfortable. He's still a little old school. I've tried to tell him, just put your auger out there and don't worry about it. Let me do all the work getting by the combine and holding it right there, but we'll get one this harvest season. I'll get a video of him unloading on the go. Back to the truck. So we're putting it into the blower and blowing it up into the seal store. That's a 20 by 40 foot. We try to get about 40 loads in. That's enough. We don't fill the silo. I think my dad told me that this silo came from a farm that milked 150 cows. So, I mean, this is more than enough for us. So we put it in whole kernel. And then when we take it out, we have the Laddig unloader. And it unloads into a Valmetal hammer mill, which makes some real nice feed. Gotta get back to the field. First night. Now I'm happy. That was a long day / long night. Got the field opened up and got about 80% of it done. No breakdowns. That was awesome. That was great. Yeah, great start. Great first day. Got a lot of corn in. Going to be able to finish up that field tomorrow. Start on the second field. Get as much done as we can on that one. And then, let's see, today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Saturday and Sunday is calling for rain. And I think it's rolling right into the first of the week, which is going to equal more rain. So, going to get as much as we can before. Anyway, hope you guys like this video. This is the first of many harvesting videos. So, thumbs up if you like the video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit me up on Instagram, MikeP7810. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. Time to go in and have some dinner. Have a good night.